In this video, how to fix the Reset Internet Options and Control panel is missing in Windows 10 and 11. As you can see, the Reset button is no longer available. In the latest versions of Windows 10 and Windows 11, Microsoft has hidden this option. To bring it back, you can run this command in the Run box, PowerShell, or the terminal. In the new versions of Windows 10, the Reset Internet Options button also hidden by Microsoft. So, we need to use the same command to open it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.